Hi everyone, in this video we're unboxing the white tea collection. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. White tea is one of the least processed tea styles, crafted by sun-drying fresh leaves before applying a gentle roast. Like green tea, this minimal processing highlights the natural sweetness of the leaves while creating a more mellow texture. We have another video all about white tea if you're interested. In this collection, we've included 4 different white teas that showcase a range of harvest dates and crafting methods. The first tea in the box is our Yunnan White Needle, a premium grade white tea crafted exclusively from the youngest leaf buds. Unlike orthodox silver needle from Fujian County, our Yunnan White Needle is cultivated in Yunnan Province from the large-leaf Assamica subspecies, resulting in a uniquely fruity and aromatic taste. Yunnan White Needle offers a zesty profile with notes of peaches and fresh cream. The second tea in the box is China's most popular white tea variety, Bai Mudan or white peony. Our Bai Mudan is crafted from the traditional Dabai cultivar in Fujian County, Fujian, the birthplace of white tea. By definition, Bai Mudan is made from a blend of leaf buds and mature leaves, giving this tea a fuller body and more mellow taste. The third tea in the collection is Somei or longevity eyebrows. Also crafted in Fujian County, Somei is produced only from mature tea leaves, which offer a deeper and nuttier taste compared to younger harvests. The final tea in the box is Dragon Pearl Jasmine Supreme, our red label jasmine tea. Dragon Pearl Jasmine Supreme is a jasmine white tea crafted in Fujian County exclusively from leaf buds, then scented with thousands of fresh jasmine flowers over the course of 10 days. During this time, the white tea leaves absorb the aroma of the flowers, creating an ultra-premium and entirely natural jasmine tea that is sweet, smooth, and aromatic. Brewing recommendations for these teas are included on the back of each packet and on our website. We always recommend brewing in the traditional Gongfu method for the best results. To learn more about our range of tasting collections, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.